Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 2002 Chevy Camaro convertible. Now as you do know, 2002 was the last year for the 4th generation Camaro. Going into the one we have here, she's not just your average Camaro, but she is the 35th Anniversary SS Camaro. And it also has the SLP performance package with this car. So yeah, she is definitely something. But going to start off with our exterior, she has a nice red with the performance, I would like to say, decals on the hood and rear deck. Very nice style wheels. Going into the interior, you got a little bit of a black bucket seats, automatic on the floor. Other than that, you got your basics: power windows, power steering, power brakes, which we can demonstrate for you right now. Also has a power top, so that actually comes as a plus. Got the old-fashioned Delco style radio, and as you can see right there, it even tells you that this is the 35th anniversary, which is a nice package for the Camaro. But other than that, now we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.